You'll picture this: the tires are squealing. Smoke is curling up like a dragon from the back of the car. The engine is roaring like it's about to rip the asphalt apart, and you're sliding around a corner like a boss. That's right, we're talking about drifting a BMW M5. And if you think you've ever drifted before, think again. This isn't just spinning wheels. It's a controlled chaos, a dance between speed, grip, and raw horsepower. Today, I'm going to break down everything about drifting the BMW M5, how it's done, why it's insane, and what makes this sedan an ultimate drift machine. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to see the M5 in a whole new light. First things first, the BMW M5 isn't your everyday ride. It's a twin-turbo V8 beast, pushing out massive torque that can fling your rear tires into Smoke City if you're not careful. But here's the thing, the M5 isn't just about raw power. BMW engineers tuned the chassis, the suspension, and the steering to perfection so that when you flick this car into a corner, it feels like an extension of your body. It's precise, it's responsive, and man, it's addictive. The throttle responds instantly. The steering bites exactly how you want it, and the brakes are aggressive enough to control insane slides. That combination? That's why drifting the M5 is a whole experience, not just a stunt. Now let's talk technique. Drifting isn't about flooring the gas and praying for a miracle. No, it's about timing, balance, and commitment. Step 1. Approach the corner with enough speed to make the car react, but not so much that you're instantly eating gravel. Step 2. Initiate the drift. Depending on your setup, that could be a clutch kick, a brake tap, or a simple flick of the steering wheel. Step 3. Counter steer. This is where it gets real. You gotta steer the opposite direction of the slide. Keep your hands steady and let the M5's dynamics do the work. Step 4. Throttle modulation. Too much gas and the car spins out. Too little and you lose momentum. Finding that sweet spot is addictive, and the M5 makes it easy. To feel every little adjustment, let's talk about the electronics. Modern M5s are loaded with stability control, traction control, and driving modes. These systems can be your best friend or your worst enemy when drifting. The trick is knowing when to dial them down or shut them off completely. Start slow, learn the car's reactions, and gradually push it harder. BMW made this car to be stable at crazy speeds, but in the hands of a skilled driver, it turns into a drift machine that can eat corners like a champ. Tires are another critical piece of the puzzle. Without proper rubber, you're just a V8 with nowhere to go. High-performance summer tires with proper pressure are essential. Soft tires? They burn out instantly. Hard tires? They won't grip enough for controlled slides. The M5 reacts to tires like a cat to laser pointers. Every type changes the style and feel of your drift. Sticky tires are predictable, worn ones are wild, and slicks. Well, slicks are only for pros who want chaos on the edge. Weight, transfer, and throttle steering are everything when drifting a car this heavy. The M5 is no featherweight, so you gotta use momentum wisely. Flick it into a corner. Shift your weight with the brake or clutch, and let physics do its thing. BMW nailed the balance between comfort and aggressive suspension, so you can push this car harder than most sedans and still keep control. But don't get cocky. The rear end can spin faster than your reactions if you misjudge. Drifting the M5 is like dancing on a tightrope, smooth, calculated, and thrilling. Every M5 is a little different. Tires, mods, suspension, even the weather can change how it drifts. You gotta feel the car, anticipate its behavior, and adjust in real time. Drifting is improvisation, and the M5 gives you a canvas with unlimited power and precision. Hit the track, learn the angles, practice throttle control, and before long, chaining corners will feel effortless. Mods are optional but make a huge difference. Some owners upgrade exhausts for that aggressive scream. Tune the engine for more torque. Tweak the suspension for sharper handling, and add LSD differentials for better rear-end control. Every tweak changes the drift dynamics, making the car more playful or more brutal depending on what you're after. Stock M5 is already a beast, but mods take your slides to cinematic levels. And let's talk aesthetics. Drifting isn't just about skill, it's about looking cool while doing it. The M5's wide stance, flared fenders, and aerodynamic bodywork make every slide look insane. Smoke, tire marks, engine roar, perfectly timed countersteers. It's like a video game coming to life. People don't just watch M5 drifts, they feel them. They get hyped, they replay them over and over. That's the culture, and the M5 delivers it every single time. Safety is another thing we can't skip. Always drift in a controlled environment. preferably a track or closed course. Never ever drift on public roads. Helmets, roll cages, and proper safety gear aren't suggestions, they're survival essentials. Even the most skilled driver can misjudge a drift. And the M5 has enough torque and weight to punish mistakes hard. Respect the car and physics, and you'll last longer sliding in style. Drifting is a skill that improves over time. Start slow, learn your car's limits, understand weight transfer, throttle control, and steering feedback. The M5 is forgiving but powerful enough to demand respect. Once you've mastered the basics, you can link multiple corners, control drift angles with finesse, and make it look effortless while still feeling that adrenaline spike every single time. Listen to the car, it talks to you. RPMs, steering feel, throttle feedback, tire grip, and suspension responses are all communication from the machine. The M5 isn't just a car. It's a partner. It responds to your inputs with insane precision, letting you feel every nuance of the road and corner. That's why drifting this car is addictive. Imagine it, smoke curling behind you, tires screaming, engine roaring, and you sliding through a hairpin like it's nothing. That's not adrenaline, it's skill, car knowledge, and the perfect balance of man and machine. The M5 gives you everything you need, and mastering it is pure satisfaction. Mods, tires, safety, practice, throttle control, counter steer, combine them all, and the BMW M5 transforms into a sideways monster that's a blast to drive. Each slide teaches you something new, and the learning never stops. Drifting isn't just a stunt. It's a craft, a lifestyle, and the M5 is one of the ultimate vehicles to master it. So if you're ready to see the M5 in action, watch every drift, every slide, every cloud of smoke, and absorb the technique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next drift video is gonna take this beast to a whole new level. Remember, it's about control, skill, and style. When you master it, sliding a BMW M5 becomes pure magic.